Hey guys, what's up? This is Jared Kulp with BeastMuscle. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a 10-minute full body workout. This one, you do not need any equipment. You don't have to do it at the gym. You can just do it at your home, or you can go do it at the gym. I have a mat right under me just because you're probably gonna need that for some of these workouts because you lay down for some of these. But let's get right into the workout. 30-second push-ups. 'Take a break. Thirty-second dips. Take a break. Thirty-second incline push-ups. Take a break. Thirty-second decline push-ups. Take a break. 30-second crunches. Take a break. Thirty-second Russian twist. Take a break. Thirty-second plank. Take a break.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
30-second squats.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't focus.
Take a break.
I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to
30-second lunges.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Take a break.
Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget.
30-second flutter kicks.
Too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Take a break.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just
30-second push-ups.
I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus.
Take a break.
I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head.
30-second incline push-ups.
I just need to clear my head.
Take a break. Thirty-second plank.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid.
Take a break.
We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sun.
30-second stretch.
We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise.
take a break. Workout complete. There you go, guys. Hopefully this was a good workout. If so, leave a like down in the description down below. Also, if you did enjoy this video, YouTube recommends these 2 videos up here, and I will see you guys in the next one.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take